In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Zoho CRM dark mode. Whether you're spending hours navigating through data, or just prefer a darker interface to ease the strain on your eyes, implementing the dark mode feature can be a game changer for your workflow. First and foremost, it's important to note that dark mode in Zoho CRM is only available in their next-gen UI, also known as Zoho CRM for Everyone. Those of you using the classic UI will need to make a transition. To do this, look for the profile icon located in the top right corner of your screen. Upon clicking this icon, there might be an option prompting you to switch to next-gen UI. If this option is available to you, simply click on it and follow any on-screen instructions that might appear to guide you through the transition process. This step ensures you have access to the latest features, including dark mode. Now that you're in the next-gen UI, let's dive into enabling dark mode. Begin by clicking on your profile icon once more. Within this menu, you should find something labeled Theme or Mode Settings. This is your gateway to customizing the look and feel of your CRM. Once you're in the theme settings, you'll be presented with a few choices. You can select Day if you want a light theme, but with an option for a dark sub-theme, or Night if you wish to switch to true dark mode for a more consistent dark interface. If you prefer your system to adjust automatically, pick Auto. This setting will align with your device's theme settings, allowing it to switch between light and dark modes based on system-wide preferences. However, what if these theme options are not visible to you yet? Dark mode is being rolled out gradually, which means it might not be available to all users immediately. If you find yourself in this situation, don't worry. You can still take proactive steps to get dark mode enabled on your account. The easiest route is to contact your Zoho CRM administrator. They should have the necessary permissions to possibly expedite this for you. Another option is to submit a request directly through the next-gen UI interface. Look for the feedback option within the support section or reach out to Zoho support to express your interest in enabling dark mode. By following these steps carefully, you'll be able to change your workspace to a more visually comfortable and aesthetically pleasing dark theme, enhancing not just your productivity but also your overall experience with Zoho CRM. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, feel free to like, share, or subscribe for more tutorials and tips.